This is the video guide that will help you to remove the online scam associated with the website Rebis.live. So Rebis.live is a malicious website which now attacks many Windows computers. It may also attack Mac computers sometimes, but mainly Windows are being attacked. So Rebis.live is a deceptive website. It displays faulty messages that try to make people download and install certain potentially unwanted software. The site Rebis.live claims to be related to some well-known security program. However, this information is absolutely faulty. It is not related to that well-known program. If you interact with these pop-ups, you will be redirected to some other deceptive sites that may promote a totally different software. So we recommend you to disregard all these deceptive pop-ups by Rebis.live. Such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware on your computer, so we recommend you to implement additional research of your computer and its safety with the help of reliable antivirus software. We recommend you to use Combo Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and then begin thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.